In this video, I'm going to show you a workaround to upload audio to your community on Zenler. You probably noticed that there is no option for actually adding audio here. It will probably come in the future, but until then, there's a workaround that you can use if you want, and that's the tool that I created below this video. And this is a simple drag and drop tool, so I'm just going to drag an audio file here, and here I can get a preview straight away of waveforms. You can choose if you want the light mode or dark mode of the generated video, because this will convert your MP3 file into a video file with moving waveforms. So I'm going to go with the dark mode for this one, and then simply click here, generate waveform video. And depending on the length of your video, it's going to be a few seconds or maybe up to a minute, and you can read up on these jokes while you wait. And then you only need to download this to your computer like that. So once you have that downloaded, you can go under Site, Media Library, and upload your file here if you want. Or you can go straight into the community, click the video tab, and then upload the file. So I'm just going to drag and drop this file right here. Now, the video engine that Zenler is using is Vimeo, and it takes a while, depending on the length of your video. It can take a little while until that video has rendered. So just keep that in mind when you're posting. So what I normally like to do is I write the information, I upload the video, but I also wait a little bit before I post it so that the video is really ready to listen to straight away for the community members. So listen to this instruction. And this could be like from a podcast, this could be something else. Or maybe you just made a memo note that you want to share with your community. And then you can write something else here. I'm not going to write anything else. And then simply you just post this to the community, and it would show up like this. So now anyone in the community can simply click here and listen to this voice note that I made actually, but now it was converted using this tool. So if you want to use this tool, it's below this video. Just drag and drop, it's free to use. And I actually limited the file size to 7 megabytes right now. I may make that a little bit more, but in order for keeping the tool really fast, I made that limit. So if you have maybe a couple of minutes voice notes that you want to convert, this is a really fast and easy way to do that. And then you can upload that into the community. So that's all I had in this video. I hope you enjoyed this, and use the tool if you like below this video. And I'll see you in the next one.